If 10 strangers had to decide who deserves to die, how confident are you that it wouldn't be you? In 10 minutes, one of them would be removed. If they failed to choose, all 10 would be executed. The timer started. At first, they behaved like good people. They suggested fairness, random selection, drawing lots, volunteers, because everyone wants to believe they're moral until morality costs something. No one volunteered, not because they were heartless, but because survival feels reasonable, and reasonable things rarely feel evil. Silence filled the room. Not peaceful silence, heavy silence, the kind that waits for someone weaker to carry it. "We need a logical method," someone finally said, "someone who contributes the least." It sounded strategic, measured, responsible, which made it acceptable. There was one person who hadn't spoken. He wasn't loud, he wasn't dominant, he wasn't persuasive, he simply existed without demanding space. And in moments of fear, quiet presence looks like low value. No one said they disliked him, no one accused him of wrongdoing, they just repeated the same thought. He hasn't contributed, he hasn't helped, he hasn't proven anything. As if existence required performance. Agreement spread slowly, not passionately, not angrily, just comfortably, because once someone suggests a direction, standing against it feels risky. And risk was expensive. He finally spoke, not loudly, not desperately. "If it were you, would you think this was fair?" No one answered, because answering would require imagining themselves in his place. And empathy is dangerous when time is running out. Fear simplified everything, not right or wrong, not moral or immoral, just safe or unsafe. And he was the safest option, not because he deserved it, but because removing him required the least resistance. Convenience replaced conscience. They voted, one by one, unanimous. The door opened. He looked at them, not angry, not shocked, just aware. Then he stepped out. The door closed, the ticking stopped. A message appeared on the wall. Simulation complete. No one was ever in danger. There was no execution, no punishment, no real threat, only pressure and a choice. They looked at each other. Now the room felt smaller because the danger had changed shape. It's comforting to believe cruelty requires hatred, that harm requires monsters, but sometimes it only requires agreement. No one wanted to kill him. They only wanted the fear to end. And he was the easiest way to end it. When survival feels uncertain, we don't discover who the weakest person is. We discover how quickly meaning disappears, when existence becomes negotiable.